This quick video is just to reinforce two things that you need to remember when working with reports in Access. The first is that you will often be asked to add something to the report footer of an existing report. By default, the report footer is not actually visible. What you need to do is you need to identify the report footer bar down here and then hover at the bottom edge of the report footer bar and left click drag when you see the up and down pointing arrow cursor about 1 or 2 centimeters. We can now see that we have a design area for our report footer. We can now add controls, etc. as required. The second thing that we need to remember is that once the report has been created, we may be required to add or change the group and sorting of the report. It's easy enough done when you are stepping through the report wizard. However, once that has been done, you need to remember to click the group and sort button over here to expose the panel. It's a toggle. There it's on. Here we go. Here are my options. Switch it off and back on again. And once again, this unfortunately is switched off by default, and it's easy to forget where to find that group and sort button. That's it. Good luck.